And the coronavirus is, in our opinion, an act of biological warfare against China. Because they're waging war on China and they're waging war on Russia. That's right, they're waging war. But there's a big fool with a PhD in stupidity. And he says, no, 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 Russia is a part of the alliance and China is a part of the alliance. And they're just pulling wool over our eyes. This is the fool with a PhD in stupidity. So now then, since the World Health Organization has declared the coronavirus to be potentially a worldwide epidemic, it can come to Trinidad tomorrow. One person has already died in the United States yesterday, I think, from coronavirus. Large numbers of people have been infected in Iran, including a member of the government. And Pakistan has to close its border with Iran. Turkey has closed it. Russia has stopped people from China entering into Russia. All of these things are taking place. What has our Prophet said concerning viruses, concerning epidemics? Please, please, please remember these words and please reach it out to others who don't know. They don't have sufficient interest. They just have interest in eating their biryani and going home and sleep. So you have to reach out to them and teach them. Our Prophet has said, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam, if you are in an area where the plague breaks out, the epidemic breaks out, do not leave. Do not leave. If you leave, you could spread the virus. This is a man who lived 1400 years ago, when modern medical science never knew about viruses at that time. Modern medical science now knows about viruses. They didn't know at that time. And yet he said, do not leave. And he says, if you're outside, do not enter. Hence, he gave to the world the concept of a quarantine. And that's what you have to do here in Trinidad. If the virus breaks out in San Fernando, then do not flee from San Fernando to go to Blanchiselles. No, remain in San Fernando. And people from Port of Spain tell them, don't enter into San Fernando. What happens if you remain in San Fernando and you die from the plague or the epidemic? What happens? Our Prophet said that if you remain and you die, you will die as a martyr, shaheed, which means you go straight to heaven. This is a message conveyed through IBN, not just to the Muslims of Trinidad and Tobago, but to the Hindus, to the Christians, to everybody. And it will help the government of Trinidad and Tobago if these words of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ can be applied. The principle of quarantine. This much then for coronavirus. In the weeks and months that lie ahead, we'll see whether or not the virus does become a worldwide